Hi friends, this is Eastern Sri Lanka near Puchaveli and Pulpule. There are many forest monasteries also as a with lot of beautiful flowers and trees and birds and also in this area you can see wild elephants and wild buffaloes. It's really nice area to visit and the area is very calm and quiet. Some roads are quite good but inside the jungle you have to walk and reach to these forest monasteries which are ancient Buddhist temples abandoned due to the 30 years of Sri Lanka terrorist war. Now some monks has reached there and restarted and revisited these places. If you wish to come to this area is called Smarter area. And also around that area there are also the beach is really astonishingly beautiful and the water is very clean and nice and it's a very nice beach to see and we travel with a group of people and we enjoy the view so much. It's so much nature, so much birds. So please visit this area if you have time, if you visit to Sri Lanka. Hope you enjoy my video. If you are happy and enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. And also in this area you can see deers and rabbits, wild rabbits and crocodiles and eagles and some other natural birds. They are coming to visit these areas annually. Some of them are migratory birds from other countries such as Australia and some other parts of the world. And this area has a lot of green trees and because we went during the rainy season and the walking path towards this monastery is quite unsurpassable. It's muddy and sometimes we have to go into the water and walk over, which is full of mud and it's difficult to travel. And also there are wild bears and wild figs to be seen, boa, and it's full of nature and the air quality is really good. And also there are a few hills. If you visit to these hills you can see very beautiful scenery all around that area. And also we visited the place called Sembumale. Sembumale was a former Buddhist monastery and now you can, when you climb up to the mountain, you can see the remaining Buddhist historical remainings there on the top of the mountain. And also there was a sign of a pagoda and which was hunted by the treasure hunters and it was destroyed. And there's a stone staircase leading towards this Buddhist monastery. And also there are a few water harvesting places we call some kind of, it's a stone made kind of a small water storage and you can see there. And there are many stone pillars and stone plates on the ground which are the signs of a Buddhist monastery. So it is destroyed during the 30 years of war and some of the very beautiful monuments were destroyed. It's sad to see that we need to protect our nature, we need to protect our history, we need to protect our civilization and the historical monuments because it is our cradle, it is our history. So I invite everybody to take care of our history, human history. It belongs to all human beings, not only to Sri Lankan, not only to Buddhists. So please coordinate and help and preserve the nature and preserve our historical architectural sites. Thank you.